Hey guys, let me explain the feature of Rscarpremium Dashcam. So we have 11.6 inches display. In that, first thing is we are seeing the split screen front, back and the split screen when you do a right swipe. When you do the left swipe, you will be getting all the recorded videos. Okay, we have 6 options over there on the recorded videos. So one is front ordinary, front urgent, rear ordinary, front photo and the rear photo. Okay, so apart from this, we have something in our settings. We have a different features which is available part of our Dashcam. So the first thing is loop recording. You can keep for 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes as you wish. You can keep it. Time lapse between each video, it should be always off so that you don't miss any of the videos. Record audio is something like whatever we talk inside the car, so that will be getting recorded. And parking G sensor. The G sensor is the main feature of this product. It's a gravity sensor. Whenever there is an impact, right, as I showed you, it will be all stored in the urgent video. Okay, parking at, you park your car somewhere and you go to a mall or something and somebody touches your car, it starts recording because we have a 500 mAh battery inside it. Okay, then we have encoding of video of 264 and 265 format, and the frequency rate of refresh rate is 60 Hz. And we have an Wi-Fi app where you can extract the data. So that I'll be explaining in the next video. And if you guys have any questions, please DM us.